I say, may you sure that by this time in turning answer the change who from the Kofi Kinaata or winning High Life Artist of the Year na High Life Song of the Year. Yes.
Artist of the Year.
And the winner is Kofi Kinaata.
Mamini mini de tu madina. Orokodo. Abadipo, I say. If you come away, I say. Happy Mother's Day to Amami Funyina and Tama. By this time, Nada. By this time, Nada. But the informant to what about? I say, me do be a big shout out to 2 bars. 2 bars, brother. 2 bars. Abochi. Me pin Abochi no mixing in Abochi. Thank you. Loso. Let's say by this time, LJ was in the don't mind, don't see. Okay, thank you all.
Money more. Tell Kofi Kinaata that I say, brother, congrats, Ata. Congrats. Na ne performance at Ghana Music Award this year. No. Kofi the years who are sorry no was secondary no the best stage. Kofi Koya was the Ghana Music Award. National performance na or ye outstanding. What kind of outstanding? I doesn't we pay no Gina working thing. Inti Santa on a mereba bakatra soon I'm telling you there Kofi in the next 365 days and will continue being your artist, high life artist of the year, the high life song of the year, or your nara, the high life category in a high life system and yaje yartsanado. Now one car you crow a western region na sana wa ye high life fee was secondino. Sekendi takrade no enka high life no won fan kama hwana no ebe senke CK man na body bezi ya o papa yansi no bezi ya we botela no nyina wo bezi ya wo. Kofi is keeping the legacy of high life and Giovanni Bisan also okay chen there I say high life in the protecting oil and penny for no one style in but still the legacy lives on. Inti Kinaata yamo congrats de etum akakatu yenyim Saint West akwake jibia men brother imbo ne juma na damlete monto afize mepeda mi befie na mbakan awards no when I mean a one-on-one wo fie I'm going to count the awards the Intimator Broadcaster Pro 2 Oba, I'm coming home. We're going to do that. To the W's, W means winning. Kofi is winning. And so, guys, let's go to the comment section and show Kofi some love. Kofi to the Kinaata. Nyawo size here. Now, my film point there. When Kofi came to perform Ifi Kuma Love reggae, yay. This was a beautiful moment. A man for checking Kinaata too much.
It is finished. Kofi Kinaata.
I'm picking this award on behalf of my friend Kofi Kinaata, the reincarnated being. Yeah, man. I want to say thank you to all of you who voted for him. And I'm very sure he'll come back here to pick another award. And as you all know, when he picks the award, he will say Orokodo, then you say what? That's right.
Congratulations, Kofi.
I say, Mufensi Hana Koshenkano, or me page ata. Kofi, Imbone Juma, Atu Yenim.